everyone, Carlos here from The Difficult Truth. So, as you can see, we finally finished the studio. I'm really happy with it. I think it's awesome. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below of the new studio. But today I really want to talk to you guys about something that's really disturbing. More and more red states are passing these abortion laws, and they are very blatantly disregarding basic human rights for women. The state of Texas has recently proposed a bill that would make abortion basically homicide, and which is by the way punishable by death in the state of Texas. In Alabama, one could receive 99 years in prison for abortion. According to the law that they're proposing. Ohio has recently gone on that bandwagon as well, and this is extremely dangerous for many reasons. I mean, just morally, it is unacceptable that you sentence a woman to death, basically. I mean, the death penalty is fair game in Texas, and in Alabama, 99 years is your whole life. I mean, there's no way you're getting out of prison. It's a death sentence. And that's all because of this affinity to try to control women's bodies. I mean, what is the deal with these Republicans? Because this is only being proposed by Republicans on women's bodies. This just fixation of they have to control, and it's not about being pro-life, because if they were pro-life, what about a woman whose life is being threatened by a pregnancy, a woman who was raped? Pro-life, what about all those children currently in foster home, which we know our foster home care system is not very good. So are they really pro-life or just pro-controlling women? And also, I find very interesting and hypocritical how these extreme far-right people are so scared of Sharia law, or whatever the heck is pronounced, coming to the United States, but are completely comfortable with sentencing a woman to death over her bodily autonomy. I mean, can somebody explain that to me? The reality is, the reason why that's happening is because at the end of the day, they want to challenge Roe versus Wade. They're hoping that one of these cases gets taken all the way to the Supreme Court, and that it will be a test for Roe versus Wade, which we all know that Brett Kavanaugh was placed there for that reason. So it stands that these Republicans are just gonna keep putting these ridiculous laws, and hopefully one of them makes its way to the Supreme Court. Now, the good news in all of this is that at least the law in Texas most likely is not going to pass. It is expected to fail. We don't know, but I'll definitely keep you guys updated on that, and we will see exactly what happens. And remember, guys, I mean, we have choices to make, and who we put in power really matters and has real repercussions, and at some point, common sense has to kick in. At the end of the day, guys, these are just my thoughts. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Anyway, guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that big red subscribe button and ring the little bell so that you get notifications when our videos go live for you. You can also follow us on Twitter at twitter.com/adifficulttruth. You can like us on Facebook at facebook.com/adifficultruthofficial. And you can also listen to our podcast at soundcloud.com/adifficulttruth. I'll leave all the links in the description below, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. See ya!